Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can promote your Big Cartel store on socials, so let's get right into it. Now, as you can see, currently I'm on my Big Cartel store, and I do have the free plan. The reason I mentioned this, if I go into my orders, as you'll see, you'll have the ability to post ads on socials. This is the tool that is actually integrated into Big Cartel, and if you upgrade, you'll have it available for you. Now, I'm pretty sure the Platinum plan has the availability to do this. However, the Diamond plan 100% has it, so you can use whichever one of these you want if it has that ability open. Other than that, you can just open up social accounts and post your own ads. Just do whatever it is you want, create your own marketing campaign. You might be able to use other sorts of online services, which will enable you to, of course, create an online marketing campaign. I have done tutorials on them previously. I forgot all of them that actually exist, but you can use your own site as well. If you build another site, you can promote your store from there. And it's best to have a social media following before you start promoting, just so people can figure or find it. But yeah, that is pretty much all there is to it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.